Welcome to Yolk Boys. Today I'm soaking a hard-boiled egg in Caesar salad dressing for an entire week. Why? I don't know. Why not? Let's see what happens to it. Caesar salad dressing, hard-boiled egg. Ooh. Quick shake. Yeah. Maybe this will turn out good, but probably not. I'll see you in a week. Welcome back, Yolk Boys and girls. This egg has been soaking in this Caesar salad dressing for an entire week now, and for some dumb reason, I'm gonna try it and see what happened to it. So let's get it out of its bottle and onto the tray. Still smells Caesar-y. Not a lot going on here. Looks like a pretty normal hard-boiled egg. We'll see what happens. All right, let's see what this dressing did to this egg after a whole week. Yolk's up. Not too bad. It's got a little bit of a funny fake taste, but that's expected with the bottled dressing like this. A lot of that salty umami-ness from like the anchovies or Worcestershire sauce in there kind of carried through. So it's got a little bit of a savoriness to it. Not a bad flavor. Still soft. What can I say? Not terrible. I'm gonna go 6.4 out of 10. Good job, Caesar salad dressing. You did great.